G'day team, I'm Scotty Heiman and this is Heiman Habitat. But more importantly, this is our BOV, our bug out vehicle. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, this is the general maintenance module. And this side gull wing door opens up to provide the armourers and mechanics that used to be banging and crashing around here shade from the sun, protection from the rain. But we've added to that with a bushwhacker 180 degree awning. And it opens up like a bat wing to go 2 metres more that way, 2 metres more that way, and 2 metres more that way. So that's plenty of shade. But we've done it on both sides. So now we've got 360 degrees of shade. Now, be that a nice tropical awning to add that air gap from this rooftop as well, or whether it be protection from the rain so we can have a little bit of a party outside. But let me show you what's inside. Opening up the door, and thanks to our friends at ORS, Off-Road Systems, absolutely industry leaders at drawer systems, right? These run out, 2 slides of 200 kilo working limits themselves, 4 drawers, 2 slides each. That's a lot of weight. Why do we need a lot of weight to be bearing down on that? Because I worked with them to make a double bed. Simply folds down, these mattresses and gonk bags and all fold out, and then we have our own little sleeping area. Up there in the sky, above some other storage facilities that ORS have made for us, is a Korean War US Army ambulance stretcher, and that's for my little rugrat to sleep up there. There's a lovely little climbing wall for her to get up. But with a little bit of magic of video, let me show you, because we don't sleep open air style. Let's see what happens. Ta-da! So, thanks to J&B Canvas, write that down, J&B Canvas, we now have an awning to take over that. So now we're nice and dry whilst we're sleeping in our Aussie Outback Suppliers swag sleeper. So that's a sleeping bag that you can unzip and zip 2 together. And I kid you not, they're awesome. It's just like a big warm hug. So what else could be better than lying in bed where you're warm and thanks to this, you're dry. And even if the fit hits the sham with the weather, you open up your bushwhacker awning, which comes all the way out to here for some extra protection from the elements. But that's not all. Let me show you a few other features from the inside of our vehicle and around the outside. Follow me, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so when you're not just watching this one, you can see the whole suite of things as we show you through our BOV. I'm Scotty Heiman, and that's my kind of thinking.